We will guide you through how to design Miro boards. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, turn on your computer and connect to a stable internet connection before starting. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Miro website. Sign into your Miro account using your preferred login method. Then wait for the Miro dashboard or workspace to load completely. Open the Miro board that you want to design and wait for the selected board and its existing content to load completely. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your board if it has not been named yet, making it easy to identify later. Explore the Miro toolbar to find the available design and editing tools. Familiarize yourself with the tools so you can quickly select the features you need. Add a suitable title to clearly identify the main purpose of your board. Add text boxes, sticky notes, shapes, and other elements to organize your content. Use each element carefully to keep information grouped and easy to understand. Use frames to separate different sections and create a structured board layout. Frames can help organize topics and make the canvas easier to navigate. Add images, emojis, or stickers to make the board more visually engaging. Choose visual elements that support your content without making the board look crowded. Resize and reposition each element so that the content is properly aligned and easy to read. Use colors, fonts, and formatting options consistently to create a clean visual style. Keep similar elements formatted in a consistent way throughout the board. Add arrows or lines when you need to show relationships between different elements. Review the entire board and adjust the spacing and alignment of your content to make the board easier to navigate.